Hi, my name is Will, and thank you for joining me with the Novice Woodworker. The whole reason that I'm creating this channel was because of how I found woodworking to begin with. My job was super stressful, and I couldn't run away from it. Even on the weekends, I would have to answer phone calls and pass off my children so that I could take care of business, and that is not sustainable. It eventually started affecting my sleep and my mood and just the person who I wanted to be. So what I was able to do with woodworking is be present. Now, half of that was because of safety and you need to be paying attention to what you're doing. But the other half was probably because I had headphones on or I had music playing and I'm doing something with my hands that took my full thought. That actually allowed me to be present with myself. And the second reason that I created this channel is because I want to teach my boys how to do woodworking. I want to share information on a digestible level, bringing the basics out so that everybody, regardless of their income, can do some sort of woodworking project. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Please comment on my videos. And if you find any of them helpful, please like, subscribe, and share.